Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Shall we begin our SS class here? Okay, our first lesson is Climate of India. So, in the last term, we have learned the different landforms of India. Do you remember? Also, we have learned each place is unique. What about the climatic conditions of these landforms? Is that same or different? Okay, we can discuss. Children, how's the day today? Rainy or sunny day? Children, have you heard the terms weather and climate? Are they same? We know that Earth has atmosphere. Atmosphere is a blanket of gas surrounding our Earth. Different places of Earth experience different climate and weather. Children, sometimes there will be clear sky in the morning and after that there will be cloudy in the evening. Sometimes there will be raining in the morning and in the afternoon we can see bright sun. This is called the weather. So children, the state of atmosphere at a place at a particular time is the weather. Weather of a place can change fastly. When we say that it is very cold today or it is very hot today, we are talking about the weather of our place. Can you now say what is weather? Now we can discuss what is climate. Climate is the atmospheric condition in an area over a long period of time. Atmospheric condition over a long period of time. When we say that warm and dry climate in desert means we are talking about the climate. Our food habits, dressings, our shelters are based on the climate and weather. In cold region, people wear woolen clothes. In hot region, people wear cotton clothes. Like that. The climate of one region is different from the climate of another region. This is because of some factors. Shall we learn them? Factors affecting climate. Children, this is the globe. Children, can you touch the equator? Yes, very good. The middle line of the earth is the equator. Equator is an imaginary line. It divides earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Distance from equator is a factor that affects climate. Do you know how? Children, places in the equator or near equator have a hot climate than the places that are far away from the equator. Because sunlight falls directly on equator. So, distance from the equator is a factor that affects the climate. Children, do you know distance from the sea is another factor that affects the climate? Children, the places that are located near the sea have a good climate than the places far away from the sea. Because places near sea receives very cool breezes. The next factor is altitude. What is altitude? Height. Places located high up in the mountains and hills are cooler than the places in the plain area. Factors such as wind, rainfall and temperature also affect the climate of the region. Okay children, today we have learned about climate, weather and the factors affecting the climate. Assalamu alaikum.